Hello student friends, this is a video for group number 6. Now I have entered website www.mahdiscom.in. In this we have home. Now home, three provisions are there: customer portal, suppliers portal, employee portal. Now being a customer of MSCDCL, we can see various services available for the customer. So for online payment and customer services, you can click here. You will be able to know the various customer services. So apply for new connection online, apply for AG agricultural solar connection, view and pay bill online, register your complaint, meter reading and recharge. A prepaid meter, it is similar to your mobile recharge. So in advance we have to recharge before a due date for continuity of supply. ST consumer portal, high tension consumer, those consumers are having supply provided at 11 kV and above are ST consumers. You can provide here your valuable feedbacks, ease of doing business, you can quickly pay your bill. So these are various customer services available, among which the Mahavitaran app, Mahavitaran services at your fingertip. So in your next exercise of this week, download this Mahavitaran app in your mobile and see all the services available. You might be Mahavitaran consumer, so see your previous 3 months bill and study your electricity bill. And other services which is provided using Mahavitaran app. So as far as the customers are concerned, consumers are concerned, last time we have discussed multiple consumers are there: domestic consumers, agricultural consumers, industrial consumers, other consumers, municipal corporations. So total number of consumers we have last time discussed, and their consumption also we have discussed. This is regarding consumer. Then we may have another facility provided in home, that is a supplier portal. This is for news and latest announcement. Just 2 days before, you might have seen electricity failure was there in the state because of Nisarga cyclone. So various news regarding this to the consumers and different announcements are made over here. So we can see this and we may have the awareness about this. Then employee portal. This is for employee of MSCDCL. Online security deposit, ST consumer portal, and media photo gallery, major achievements we are providing, presenting over here. Then you may go to next, that is about MSCDCL, in which we have seen company profile, we have seen board of directors of MSCDCL, we have discussed about the board members of MSCB Holding, we have discussed about senior management team, organization structure. We have discussed last time about vision and mission. So vision and mission, again you study thoroughly. Vision to be the best power distribution utility of India by delivering reliable and quality services at competitive price to the consumers and contribute to the sustainable development of our state and nation. So to accomplish this vision, any company having a certain vision, to accomplish this vision, we have to, means they have to set some mission. So mission, we as professional company dedicate ourselves to accept all challenges to serve our consumers by supplying reliable and quality of power at reasonable and competitive rates. So to boost the agricultural, industrial sector and overall growth of Maharashtra. So basic requirement of all this is electrical power, and what it is here mentioned. We commit to honestly, integrity and transparency in our all actions. This is again to accomplish. Mission statement 3, we commit to being consumer centric organization and trustee for our consumers. Our processes shall be based on the faith and trust, and it ended with shall be reduced compliance cost of all stakeholders. We aim to achieve the technological excellence, financial sustainability, overall benefit to the consumers. We shall be learning organization focusing on continuous improvement. We shall be strive for reduction in losses of human life due to the electrical accident. So all these mission statements are committed to accomplish the vision of the company. And finally, each one associated with Mahadiscom is committed to all these mission statements so that the vision will be accomplished. So vision, mission we have. Then as far as the financial position is concerned, so various financial reports are given over here to see the progress. Normally what happens, whether the particular organization is in profit or in loss, at this stage you have to understand this. You may go through any annual report, latest one you may see, in which the 18-19, 17-18, 16-17, it took time to open. So you may go through this annual report and see the position. so that if it is a profit, you can easily come across that financial condition of this is very good. Annual administration report for all the years. Achievements. What major achievements company achieved? Unmatched efforts of Mahavitaran, electrification of Gharapuri, and this is a achievement. Saubhagya Yojana, this is achievement. So Gharapuri, electrification of Gharapuri, it is a new beginning of period of development. Then Saubhagya Yojana, this Yojana was started on 10th October 2017 in Maharashtra. 12,56,000 and 288 households were given electrical connections through this. Target to achieve the 100% electrification achieved in December 2018. Mahavitaran highest ever power demand, that is the power demand of the state. It was recorded 20,740. Of course, it is for year 1890. So, maximum power recorded. So, this target or this maximum power demand, it is made by MSC this year. That is also achievement. And that's social corporate responsibility. I have shared this. You can, this is social corporate responsibility, company policy. So you can understand the company policy of MSC this year. Background, vision, mission, CSR committee, CSR budget, monitoring the progress of CSR activities, ownership, power issues, certifications. So there are some surplus fund which is used for CSR activities. The major aims of CSR activities, CSR committee members, chairman is of course chairman of CSR committee, Harnesser, functions of CSR committee, go through all this. Then CSR working committee, then functioning of this working committee, functions of corporate level nodal officer, functions of field level nodal officers, and areas where the CSR activities will be conducted, example, education, sport, health. This is especially social and it is mandatory by government regulation to every company. CSR budget, 2% of the average profit. So once we know the finance, 2% of average profit, it is spent on CSR activities. CSR budget total available. Then the budget allocation, education 33, social sector 33, infrastructure electrification 34. These are budget allocation for social executive funding programs. Monitoring the progress of CSR activity, ownership. So see the company policy and see the CSR activities. With this, these are the total exercise for your next assignment. So go through this all once again through website and I will give you assignment on this. Okay, thank you.